How to delete my Telegram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your Telegram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to delete your Telegram account, open up Telegram here. Then from the top left, tap the three lines option there and then simply navigate to settings. From settings, scroll down to all the way to the bottom and go to the option called Telegram FAQ. And once you go to Telegram FAQ, simply look for the option known as your account here. So you can see the your account section here. From here you'll find one of the titles that says delete your Telegram account. So tap on delete your Telegram account, you'll come to this page. Now again, from here you'll find a question that says how do I delete my account? And right there you'll find a little button that says deactivation page. So all you have to do is just tap the deactivation page option. It will take you to this page where you have to enter your phone number. So verify your phone number, but most important thing is to simply enter your phone number in international format. So first of all, make sure to enter the country code of your phone number, and then after you've done that, make sure to proceed about entering your number here. Once you've done that, tap the next option, verify the code, and your account will get successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to delete my Telegram account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.